I'm going to show you how to make this planner. Let's get it.
First, you'll need some PVC pipe and some tees. Make a plywood template of the shape of the inside and the outside of the bowl, with the outside being slightly larger. Fasten the inside template to the PVC pipe and assemble the jig as such. Tightly pack some barely damp sand underneath the template. Now rotate the template around to create the inside shape of the bowl. For those of you who are perfectionists, you can use a trowel to create a smoother surface on the sand. Remove the inside template and attach the outside template to the PVC. Now repeat the same process you did with the sand, except this time use concrete. Since this is the visible part of the bowl, you'll absolutely have to put a finish on it. After curing for 24 hours, this piece is ready to be flipped. It weighs about 250 pounds, so I needed some help to do it. Once you have it turned over, all you have to do is wash the excess sand out the inside of the bowl, and that's it. This can be used as a planter or a fire bowl. Drop me a line in a comment and tell me what you think. Deco-Crete Studios out.